In this video, I'll show you how to cancel MGM Plus subscription on Roku. Step 1. Highlight the MGM Plus channel. On your Roku device, press the home button to get to the main screen. Use the arrow keys to highlight the MGM channel, but do not open it. Step 2. Open the options menu. Press the star or asterisk button on your Roku remote to open the options menu for the MGM Plus channel. Step 3. Manage subscription. Select Manage subscription from the options menu. Here you'll see your renewal date and subscription details. Step 4. Cancel subscription. Choose Cancel subscription and follow the prompts to confirm. Roku will process your cancellation, but your access continues until the end of the billing period. Step 5. Cancel via the Roku website. This is another method. Alternatively, visit my.roku.com from a computer or mobile browser. Sign in, then go to Manage your subscriptions, then find MGM Plus in the list of subscriptions and click Unsubscribe to cancel. Now I have some notes for you. You will receive an email confirming your cancellation. If you subscribe through Amazon Prime or other platforms, you need to cancel via those providers instead of through Roku. And removing the app from Roku does not cancel billing, so you will have to do that separately. And that is how you cancel your MGM Plus subscription on Roku. If you found this video helpful, subscribe.